Imagine a forest so vast it creates its own weather. This is the Amazon rainforest, a world of emerald green stretching across a continent. It's a place of immense power and breathtaking beauty. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. There's a constant hum of life echoing through the trees. Towering canopies form a ceiling high above, filtering sunlight into dappled patterns on the forest floor below. Here, every leaf, every insect, every creature plays a part in a grand, intricate story that has been unfolding for millions of years. It's a world that can seem overwhelming in its scale. Beneath this sprawling canopy lies another world, equally vast and mysterious. It's a world of water. The Amazon River and its thousands of tributaries are the lifeblood of this great forest. Not merely channels of water but living arteries pulsing with energy and secrets. These rivers snake through the jungle like giant anacondas. Their waters stain the color of tea by fallen leaves, or milky with sediment from the distant Andes. The diversity of fish life in the Amazon is simply staggering. Scientists believe there are more species of fish in these rivers than in the entire Atlantic Ocean. From the smallest, most iridescent tetras to the largest freshwater fish on Earth, in a single small pond one might find more fish species than in all the rivers of Europe combined. This incredible abundance is a testament to the Amazon's age and its complex environment. Every conceivable niche, from the fast-flowing main channels to the still blackwater creeks, has been filled by a fish that has perfectly adapted to call it home. It's a living, swimming library of evolutionary history. These adaptations are often truly surprising. Some fish have developed the ability to breathe air, allowing them to survive in oxygen-poor waters, or even wriggle across land to find new pools during the dry season. Consider the splash tetra. It lays its eggs not in the water but on an overhanging leaf. The male then diligently splashes water onto the eggs with his tail to keep them moist. The eggs hatch and drop into the river below. Others have developed intricate forms of camouflage, blending in perfectly with fallen leaves or submerged branches to avoid the keen eyes of predators. This constant dance of survival has produced some of the most ingenious strategies seen anywhere in the natural world. Many of the fish here are adorned with colors that would rival any coral reef. Shoals of cardinal tetras with their brilliant red and neon blue stripes move like living jewels through the dark waters. The discus fish, with its elegant flattened body and intricate patterns, glides gracefully among submerged roots. These colors are not just for show, they're vital for communication, for finding a mate, and for warning off rivals in a world where visibility can be limited. The visual spectacle of these fish moving in unison is one of the Amazon's great hidden wonders, a silent ballet performed daily beneath the water's surface. Survival here also means finding food in a crowded marketplace. Some fish have developed highly specialized diets. There are fish that eat only fruits and nuts that fall into the river, their powerful jaws capable of cracking the toughest shells. Others are expert insect hunters, leaping from the water to snatch unsuspecting prey from overhanging leaves. There are even fish that specialize in eating the scales of other larger fish. Each species has carved out its own unique way of making a living, contributing to the complex and dynamic food web that makes the Amazon's aquatic ecosystem so resilient and so utterly fascinating. Among the thousands of species, some stand out as true legends of the river. The piranha is perhaps the most famous and certainly the most misunderstood. Its reputation as a ferocious predator is not entirely undeserved. With its razor-sharp interlocking teeth, a school of piranhas can indeed strip a carcass to the bone with astonishing speed. However, they're primarily scavengers, playing a crucial role as the river's cleanup crew. They're also a vital food source for many other animals, including river dolphins, caimans, large birds. Rather than being mindless killers, then there is a creature that has harnessed one of nature's most mysterious forces, the electric eel. It's not a true eel, but a type of knife fish. The connection between the fish in the river and the trees on the land is one of the most remarkable stories in the Amazon. It's a relationship of mutual dependence, a perfect symphony of life. During the annual floods, when the river spills its banks and inundates the forest, a great feast begins. Many species of fish, Pacu piranha, have evolved to eat the fruits and seeds that fall from the trees. Pacu use powerful human-like molars to crush hard nuts other animals can't, becoming essential partners for riverside plants. This isn't just about a meal. As these fish consume fruits, they swim through the flooded forest, and later excrete seeds miles from the parent tree. That makes them vital seed dispersers for many Amazon trees, ensuring regeneration and genetic diversity. Without these fish, the forest structure along the river would change dramatically. The river's life also sustains animals on land and in the air. Giant river otters rely on fish. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a distant, exotic wilderness. It is a vital organ for the entire planet. Often called the lungs of the earth, its trees absorb enormous quantities of carbon dioxide. They release oxygen that we all breathe. The health of this forest shapes global climate patterns. Its moisture drives rainfall as far away as North America. The fate of the Amazon is linked to the fate of our world. The Amazon's biodiversity is a treasure trove. The fish in its rivers, the plants in its forests. Many modern medicines come from rainforest plants. Thousands more compounds likely remain undiscovered. Amazonian fish have unique genetic adaptations with potential breakthroughs. Losing this diversity would be like burning a great library. This world faces immediate threats: deforestation for cattle ranching, deforestation for agriculture, illegal mining, polluting rivers with mercury, construction of dams disrupting river flow, annual floods are being altered, fish migration routes are being blocked, the ecological balance is breaking, species are vanishing fast, the shimmering scales of the Tetra. The ancient Arapaima are fading. The time to act is now. Protecting the Amazon takes all of us. Support sustainable practices, champion indigenous rights and land stewardship. Make conscious consumer choices. Raise our voices to demand action from governments and corporations. Keep rivers flowing, keep forests standing, let its creatures thrive. Be the guardians of this global treasure. This is the Amazon. These are its stories. Protect it, share it, act now.